Hey.
My name is Akim Nephew. People call me Isa. I'm from a small community called McGregor Gully in Kingston, Jamaica. Name Isa came from Jamaican lingua. It's an exciting thing where people are asking if you're okay or if everything is good with you. How you doing today? You know, it's an exciting thing where it's hopeful vibe, you know. People come to you and say, "Wow, go on, sir, you good, sir?" Yeah, so that is where the name Isa came from. It's not the Bible version of Isa, you know. Growing up as a youth, had this neighbor doing music, always writing and singing songs. Always go over by his house, you know, and that is where I find the passion to do music. And I started to help him writing music. And then he said, "Yo, why not try sing for yourself?" And I said, me can't sing, man." I said, "Yeah, man, try, man." And I write my first song and I record the song on his veranda. And that is when I meet Jehovah Evil back in like 2007. I started doing major work with them as an artist, also a composer and a producer. Isa, that body Isa, say get to youth, go for you go. I say you gotta work for your own. Oh, do not let no one in your zone fi come tell you say you cannot earn for your own. I say you. Like 2008, I released my first EP called Cannabis, and then the following year I did a project called Believe in Love, also produced by Isa. And then in 2010, I meet Chronixx and start doing some major work with him also, where I get the chance to work on his first EP, Hooked on Chronixx, you know, and doing some major work with Zinc Fence also. Yeah, Casper, man fi have big pens and life is hard out. In a day set a vehicle, all the Teflon drive out. In a house on the hill, hey. As long as we have somewhere fi chill, man fi have big pens and life is hard out. In a day set a vehicle, all the Teflon drive out. In a house on the hill, as long as man have somewhere fi chill. After releasing the Believe in Love EP, like few years after that, I did a dual project called Lords of the Land, leading up to where I did a remix called Perfect Tree Cannabis and Chronixx Roots and Chalice mixtape. Go cannabis, and if you're not the money, then you can't get none of this. One jaw from me spliff it, have me head touch a solid, and the chalice italic and italic. I feel run to get a sip, and me say quick, Not a bad bitch, just a whiff. Half of the sweet and sour piff, and a 10 and a half. Up a brave, that's where we at. Blazing blades, all when the sun blazing hot. Make a shimaya, big up the ganja farm, a plant the marijuana. Keep my nerves, them calm, a breeze, a blow and rain, a job. Make a need my dough, make a need I job, fi stay relax. And a T-Tato, and a Fee-5-4, fi get me props. When we are on it, link up scary frost. And we no scared, and no male nor no lady cops. Roll the rhythm like a Rizla, then blaze the chop, boy. Same so we blaze the. Meet Chronixx in 2010, working with Jehovah Evil. A friend of mine bring him to the studio, and that is when I got the opportunity to work with Chronixx on his first EP, Hooked on Chronixx. I get to engineer a few stuff on it because I was working as an engineer at Jehovah Evil, also a composer and a producer. So I go and put out some music, but I know say I go feed the people their mind and them soul and them thing the way. Them can just feel a joy anytime them listen to some music, spiritually, physically, mentally, all kind of
work for your own, no. Do not let no one in your zone fi come tell you say you cannot earn for your own. Say you gotta work for your go. Say you gotta go for your own.